Greetings and welcome to the Lone Star College Tomball Virtual Open House. My name is Lee Ann Nutt, and I have the privilege of serving as president of this great college. I'm glad you're here today to learn more about Lone Star College Tomball, our programs, our services, and the ways that you can connect with our college. We're very excited to have you here. We currently have almost 9,000 students, and we'd love to have even more. We try very hard to create an experience for all students where each student knows that we believe in you and we want you to be successful. You may not know that Lone Star College Tomball actually has multiple locations. Of course, there's the main campus on State Highway 249. That's where most of our classes are held. We have our Wellness Center, Performing Arts Center, our Vet Tech building, tennis courts, a beautiful commons area that connects our buildings. And so that is where we refer to as main campus. We also have, about 3 miles from main campus, a health science building. It's in this location where our health occupations programs are housed. We've got nursing, 2 levels, vocational nursing and associate degree nursing, pharmacy technology, occupational therapy tech, surgical technology. All of these programs are very successful and they're housed at the health science building. And then you may not know that we have a third location called Creekside in the Creekside neighborhood of the Woodlands, right off Kirkendall, not far from main campus. At Creekside, we have many of the same services that you can receive at the main campus, but we also have some unique programs there, such as our electrical technology program and Cisco. There are others, but I'll just name those 2. So whatever your interests might be, let us know and we'll help you connect to those interests. If you want to explore different majors or different career opportunities, if you're looking for financial assistance or special student services, I bet we can find what you're looking for. Again, welcome to our virtual open house. Someday we'll be able to do this live again, but for now, just know we're glad to have you here. In closing, let me share one more thing. Our mascot is Trevor. He's a Timberwolf. And so at Lone Star College Tomball, we always say, one wolf, one pack. Please know as president, I welcome you as a new member of the Timberwolf Wolf Pack.